If you've been named the executor in a will, you might just think it's an honorary title, but it's not. It's a real job with real consequences. Today I'm breaking down what are the responsibilities when you're an executor. So let's break this down. As the executor, you're the legal representative of the estate. That means you're accountable to the court to meet all of its filing deadlines and other requirements that the court may put on you. This can have some serious consequences. If you do miss those filing deadlines, the consequences could range anywhere from being removed as the executor to actually being held in contempt and thrown into jail. The other side of this is that you have a lot of liability to the heirs. There's money coming in and out of the probate process, and you have to account for that properly. If that's not accounted for, you're opening yourself up to liability from the heirs in terms of a lawsuit. That's a personal liability. The lawsuit would be against you as the executor, not against the estate. So by assuming the role of the executor, you're exposing yourself to this liability. Last thing to keep in mind is that anytime there's money at play, this can bring rise to a dispute between the family members. As the executor, you're going to be the primary point there in between that dispute, and oftentimes that's not a great place to be. Being an executor can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't need to be. You don't have to do this alone. Our firm helps North Carolina executors through that probate process. We make sure that you can avoid costly mistakes and handle things as efficiently as possible. If you've been named an executor, or if you're creating a will to name an executor, let's have a discussion.